Problem 4, the one that I know all of you want to see, the slope. All right, so we know the slope is the change in our y's over the change in our x's. So we have to subtract our y's. No big deal. I have n plus 6, subtract n, divided by, since I started with the n plus 6, I must start with the 9 minus the 3. Notice up top we get a 6. In the bottom we get a 6. Slope is 1. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Notice the difference, whatever n is. Let's say n was a 2. This would be 2 plus 6, 8. Notice the difference between 8 and 2 is 6. No matter what, the n's are the same. You're adding 6. So the height is going to go up by 6 no matter what n is. That's why you had a change in the y's of being a 6. And the denominator was a 6 because the difference between 9 and 3 was 6. So slope of 1. Let's go to the distance formula. Change in your x's squared plus the change in your y squared. So how much do our x's vary by? 9 and 3 differs by 6, so 6 squared. How far apart are n and n plus 6? How much do they vary by? They vary by 6 also. And if you're not sure, subtract them. N plus 6 minus an n. What happens? You get 6. They vary by 6. So we get 36 and 36, square root of 72. So it's going to be approximately, 9 times 9 is 81. 8 times 8 is 64. So I'm going to guess, let's go with about an 8.5. It might be 8.6, might be 8.4. I don't know. You have an answer key. It's there on the site. Midpoint. Simply add your x's together and divide by 2. Add your y's together and divide by 2. Well, x's is easy. 3 plus 9 divided by 2. The y's, n plus an n plus 6 divided by 2. So we're going to get an expression right there. So 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. Here I get 2n plus a 6 divided by 2. Well, that's simply 2n divided by 2 is an n. 6 divided by 2 is a 3. It's n plus 3. And there's your midpoint.